Are there any recent WARN Act notices about mass layoffs in St. Louis this year? You might be surprised how the data reveals the current job market shifts and what it means for you. The WARN Act, or Worker Adjustment and Retraining Notification Act, mandates that employers provide a 60-day advance notice before mass layoffs or plant closures. This law is designed to give employees enough time to find new jobs or retraining opportunities. In St. Louis, any large-scale layoffs reported must comply with this federal rule, making these notices a vital source of information on local employment trends. In 2024, St. Louis has seen a handful of WARN notices filed, signaling mass layoffs in certain industries. Most notably, manufacturing plants and retail chains have announced significant workforce reductions. These notices are publicly available and provide insights into which employers are scaling back, reflecting economic pressures and shifts in the job market. Knowing about WARN notices is crucial if you live or work in St. Louis. These alerts can impact the local economy and the availability of jobs in your area. By tracking these reports, you can better anticipate changes in the job market and make informed decisions about your career path or job search strategy. Mass layoffs and WARN notices can seem daunting, but knowing the facts empowers you. Keep an eye on these updates to stay ahead in your career. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay informed about your world.